just got the new Ikon Pass. Let's check it out. Alright, nice little welcome package. We are the mountains. I gotta hide my personal info here, but oh, looks like we got a nice sticker. Yeah, die cut vinyl sticker. What else here? Some reverse printed window stickers. Those go on the inside. And a nice refrigerator magnet. Cool. Nice little insert, information and images. Nice little package, but still probably not as nice as some of the other years. Last year, the package was pretty nice. And the year before that, first year of the Ikon Pass, it came with a ton of stuff, including a lanyard. You can check out my other Ikon Pass Welcome Package opening videos if you'd like to see what the other passes came with. Regardless, here's what I got when I got my new Epic Pass. That's it, the pass. The snow hasn't been great this season so far, but I was able to get a couple days in already. Stay safe and I'll see you out there.